She's faith-filled, purpose-driven, kingdom-minded, got a vision. She's making moves, building wealth and using tech with precision. Proverbs 31:31, give her the fruit of her hand. She's a boss, she's a queen, she's got purpose in her plans.
Hey everybody, it's Dr. Tisha D. Colston, certified AI consultant and founder of She Thinks AI. And I help coaches, entrepreneurs, and business leaders be seen, be heard, and get paid with AI. And today we are vibe coding. So if you've ever said, I know what I want to build, I just don't know how to code it, this is exactly why I love tools like Lovable. And in today's video, I'm going to show you in real time how I built a landing page for my brand new Let's Talk AI monthly training inside of the AI by Design Academy. No coding, no complicated tech, just clear vision, smart prompts, and the AI doing the heavy lifting. In this video, you're going to see my process, how I think through the page, how I prompt Lovable, and how vibe coding lets you go from idea to something real fast. So if you're a coach, an entrepreneur, or a business leader who wants to build faster without getting stuck in tech overwhelm, you're in the right place. Let's jump into it. All right, so in this video, I need to create a landing page. So you can not only create apps, you can create websites, and you can create landing pages. And so I have my landing page instructions here, and I've already pasted them in. I did work with ChatGPT to get my instructions here. And let's go build a landing page. So it's pasted into the builder, and I don't need to come up with a plan or anything. What I need to do is press this up arrow, which is build, and we'll watch to see what AI does. All right, so we see that it almost is finished, but I think it's still working in the background. But this is looking fabulous so far. Could use a little bit more diversity on the images there, but yeah, we'll see. Okay, well, it does say all the sections are built. So everything that I asked it to do, it is built. So, woohoo! I mean, that didn't take long at all. Let me tell you, I just built a landing page and there was a template and all of the time, I mean, it took me so long between the connections and the platform and all of that. I'm gonna tell you, it's taken me a couple of days, whereas this took a few minutes. Now it's gonna take a little bit more minutes because we have to go through here and we do need to, make sure that everything works. Like it says, verify it works end to end. And there are other suggestions on the bottom here I may want to implement, I may not. There are some things that I may want to change, I may not. But let's take a look at the landing page that Lovable created. So we've got monthly live AI training. AI is moving so fast, you don't have to figure it out. Let's talk AI. And so let's see here. This is the bullet, and it's got some glow behind it and animations. Enter the academy and access the calendar instantly. That's what I asked it to do. I've got hero faces here, which is great, but like I said, I don't like, I mean, it is diverse, but the main diverse character should be a Black woman. So I might have them to change this image, okay? But let's keep looking. So you're entering, this isn't a webinar. Um, this isn't a website, so I can enter and join the training. This whole page is about Let's Talk AI, which is going to be the title of my new free training, live training inside of the AI by Design Academy. And so it's going to be called Let's Talk AI. So I wanted an actual page for that. Now I am going to have, that's not me. So I'm going to change that image there, but we've got Dr. Tisha and everything I gave it, featuring rotating experts every month. And then I had it to, when you click on that link, it should take you to my page or to my website. And then, which I'm doing over again with the help of AI. And I wanted live this month, featured guests, and what's coming next to be announced. And I don't have the topic for this month, so I will get that. But every session happens live. 3 steps to get started. Okay, the conversation doesn't end when the training does. The premium and the VIP get the replays, and then da 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 da. Are you ready? And then my footers. Oh, this looks fabulous. What do you think? Could you use a landing page? I mean, you could just build landing pages for your whatever it is that you are working on, right? And then you can have people to go to those landing pages. To show you what the actual website looks like now that it's done. I had to get off, but so now I'm back, and here is what the actual website looks like. I did update the font over here. It only took a few seconds. I updated the image, or I asked AI to update the image. Didn't make any real significant changes to it other than that. And I changed my picture. And let's see, anything else I changed? I think I changed the font here because I wanted it all on one line. So other than that, everything else, all the links work. It goes to where it's supposed to go to. And if I were to just go out of Lovable and go into the actual website, that's what it looks like on the website. So that's the same. And then if I want to go to the tablet view, when someone views it on a tablet, this is what it will look like. And then when someone views it on the mobile phone, depending on the size of your mobile phone, because my mobile phone screen is a little bit bigger than that. But this is what, it'll look like on the mobile phone. So you can join this from anywhere. So this looks great, and I am ready to publish. You'll be able to go to letstalkai.net if you want to participate and come in these free monthly live sessions that we'll be having. And just like that, we went from an idea to a fully built landing page using vibe coding inside Lovable. This is what I keep telling you. You don't have to wait until you know everything. You just have to start building. AI isn't here to replace your vision. It's here to help you move faster with it. Now, if you want to join me for the Let's Talk AI monthly training, make sure you click the link below or in the description and create your free AI by Design Academy account so you can be a part of the next session. And if this video helped you see what's possible, go ahead and like it, subscribe it, and share this with someone who's still stuck thinking they need to learn how to code before that they can create. Remember, you were never meant to sit on your ideas. You were meant to be seen, be heard, and get paid. Only now you can do it faster with AI. Until we meet again, be blessed, be fruitful, and multiply. And I'll see you in the next video.
She's faith-filled, purpose-driven, kingdom-minded, got a vision. She's making moves, building wealth and using tech with precision. Proverbs 31:31, give her the fruit of her hand. She's a boss, she's a queen, she's got purpose in her plans.